never climbed so high that I did not descend just as low. And if I was ever a joyful listener and lover, my lady makes all the heat turn cold for me. For she takes all joy from me and gives me all anger and myself and everything she promised me. And my songs seem like Cervantes to me, and I lose my heart and my person because of it. For I would be quite rich and a good delight if only I could come to light through her love. But I am betrayed as Farragut was, who told Roland all his great secret, by which Roland killed him. And the beautiful fella knows with what skill she kills me. With a sweet laugh she wounds my heart with the way with which she kills me when she welcomes me best or speaks to me. If only if only if only it pleased her to steal the first lead, I would never be pursued because of her. But if I were well loved and wanted, I would sing with a true and joyful heart. But now there is a quarrel because my lady quarrels with me, because she knows that I love better and more nobly than another man. And she betrays me only because she is a beautiful thing. She wants one to serve her, and she rewards nothing. Courts and wars and tournaments and assaults and courtly love and giving and conduct are all my thoughts, and I hold them from love, from the false one, even though I do not boast of it now. But cursed be so beautiful and so good, for with a rich word she has conquered me without any good deed, and she is worth more if only there were mercy in her than any other, and speaks more nobly. If she has a good heart, now I pray her and entreat her to give me a joy and promise me salvation, so that I may wear rings and eat on shields and do so much that I do not regret her. If not, I am going to the country of Tortona, and if any good is to come to me from here, I commend Provence and the people of God to God, for I remain caught like a partridge in a net. For I remain caught like a partridge in a net. For I remain caught like a partridge in a net.